Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the brick thrower cabinet recipe in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has an event that called Modular Street, and at this event there is a battle pass like this that in here you can get many cool rewards. One of them is brick thrower cabinet like this, and to unlock this recipe or to get this recipe you need to reach level 40 like this, and to level it up to get this level you need collect the festival points like this. You can collect these festival points from the town festival catalog that available each week like this. Just do the quest and then complete all quests and you can unlock the festival points, and you can also get the points from the collections reward like this, and you can also get these points from the daily quest or weekly quest. And after you reach level 40 you can unlock this brick thrower cabinet, and it will add it to your workbench automatically, and you can just craft it anytime from there. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.